Boom, welcome to Wrongside TV. It's your boy Wrongside representing. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for subscribing and for all the wonderful comments and all the email I've been receiving recently. Wow. Yeah, today I want to talk about something that happened a few days ago. Yeah, it's Dan & Jay. Dan & Jay is a UK artist. I know Dan & Jay personally. We used to work at the same studio, you know. I think we actually even recorded a song before in the past, you know. And yeah, he done a song called Tom Cruise, you know, which is it's a big song, you know. I think it's #1 in a lot of countries, you know. It's a big song here in the UK, very big song in Jamaica as well. But then what happened now is Spice on Sunfest a few nights ago. She basically counteracted the song and disrespect Dan & Jay. And all this kind of stuff, you know what I mean? So, you think about it, we can look at this two ways, innit? We can either look at this as I say, it can be a bad thing or it can be a good thing. Because as CV said, you know, that for Spice as a big artist, you know, to call someone name on stage, you know, as a stage such as big as Sunfest, you know, is something, you know, could be something really good, you know, for someone to take the time out, you know. But Dan & Jay is saying that Spice need to concentrate on writing a hit song because Spice need to get a song as big as Tom Cruise, you know, maybe, you know, her career would go even further. So, what do you think about that? Like, do you think that, you know, Dan & Jay should be, you know, firing back at Spice, you know, or, you know, disrespect her back, or do you think he should just continue doing what he's doing and, you know, let Spice do whatever she want to do? What do you think about his comment that he made and said that Spice, that she need to focus on making some hit song? Do you think Spice, as big as has she got any hit song out there? I think Spice is going, I think she's doing quite well. What do you think? You know, I think Spice is doing really, really well right now, and Dan & Jay is doing really well. I think both artists just need to put the differences aside and just, you know, get on with, continue to make good music. You know, this is your boy Wrongside. This is Wrongside TV. Until next time. Okay.
Now the girl got the baba boom.